Today, we're going to demonstrate one of the most powerful and unique features of the ASTRA-X10, the live streaming function. To begin, install the Astra NV app on your tablet or smartphone. Tap Install without scanning to proceed. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Next, go to your device's Wi-Fi settings. This is where you will connect to your ASTRA-X10. Press and hold the P button for 3 seconds to power on the device. Then, press the control knob on the front to access the menu. Rotate the knob to select Wi-Fi and press it again to enable AP mode. Now, return to your tablet or smartphone's Wi-Fi settings and look for a network name that begins with ASTRA-X10. The default password is ASTRA-678. Once connected, go back to the Astra app and tap I connected. You will now see that live streaming is active, allowing you to view real-time video directly on your tablet or smartphone screen. With the live stream enabled, you can explore additional features such as switching modes, zooming in and out, rotating the view, and enabling face detection. You can also access saved files. Where downloaded photos and videos are available for preview, use the on-screen controls to capture photos or record videos as needed. And that's the ASTRA-X10 live streaming in action. Quick to set up, really fun to use. And it gives you that real-time control that just makes everything feel next level. Thanks for watching. Follow us or subscribe to stay up to date with our latest tutorials and product demos.